welcome back to my channel. We are behind the scenes today, and this is Auntie Uncut, which means that you guys get to go into all of the realms of my life. Into my studio, you get to go into my craft room, you guys get to see product launches, you guys get to see all of the stuff that it takes to create a membership, to have business meetings, to do all the things. And that's what Friday is all about here on my channel. This is Auntie Uncut. And let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Monday and you guys are on my channel. And that's usually how an intro works. I think today's gonna be okay. I'm doing this with you. I want you guys to dive into my business.
Green screen green on both of these walls.
Wait, there's more.
First, I think we're gonna order them all naked.
Can you imagine having a corporate office here?
Got a new studio together.
Yay!
Woo!
I don't even know if you guys know what I'm talking. Office supplies. So you guys got 2 products in the last 2 weeks. You get a behind the scenes.
And then do like a piece of plywood basically right here that's curved.
I came home to a bunch of samples. So let's see what they are. I came up with a really cool system that I just wanted to show you guys. Gotta get creative. How a package looks when it comes from China. It looks like a bomb. Mickey heads. This will be in the course. Everyone remembers, you guys will get all of my courses free. The Google Calendar. Love AirDrop. It makes file sharing so fun. That was a business nerdy thing to say. Her launch her first product. So Onyx and Blanco are coming in the 4 ounces. Are black and white colors? Debatable. Not very many people have naked crystals. I've seen this before. Not doing this.
They're gonna be butt naked.
Hobby Lobby and get some ornamantes.
Our crystal's gonna be naked.
I'm not in the business of copying people. My team, I love them. I want money, make it. I'm teaching you guys to be countercultural here. Gain authentic followers. You guys can maximize income. What are these called? Rhinestones. Start with my end goal, what I want to see, and I break it down. What does it need to have, and then what do I need to do?